Picture this. A new person joins your Discord server. They're excited, ready to dive in, but instead of a friendly hello or a sign pointing them where to go, it's just silence. They wander around, feel like an outsider, and maybe they leave and never come back. That's the worst feeling, right? Well, there's one simple fix that changes everything: a dedicated welcome channel. And I'm going to show you exactly how to set one up in just a couple of minutes. So here's the plan. First, we're going to create the channel itself. Then we'll tweak the permissions to keep it clean and organized. That way, new members get a proper greeting without the clutter of random messages. Let's dive in. All right, let's start. Open up Discord and head over to your server. This is the one where you want the welcome channel to live. Got it? Good. Now, look over on the left sidebar. You'll see a category that says Text Channels. Hover your mouse right over those words, and a little plus icon will pop up. Click that plus button. This is how you add a new text channel to your server. A window opens up asking for a channel name. I like to keep it simple and clear, so type in Welcome, just like that. You could also name it Introductions if that feels more fitting for your community, but Welcome is the most common and effective. Once you've typed it in, hit that Create Channel button. Okay, so the channel is made, but we're not done yet. If we leave it as is, anyone can start chatting in it, and it'll quickly become a messy feed of random conversations instead of a clean, organized space for welcoming people. So let's lock it down. Click the gear icon right next to the channel name, and that opens up the channel settings. From here, go to the Permissions tab on the left side of the settings window. This is where all the control happens. You'll see a list of roles and members. Make sure the @everyone role is selected. That's the default role for every single person in your server, so any permission changes here apply to everyone. Now, under the Advanced Permissions section, we want to make sure new folks can actually see the channel and read what's already there. So turn on View Channel by clicking the green checkmark. Then turn on Read Message History the same way. This way, newcomers can scroll through past welcome messages and feel part of the community right away. Here comes the important part. You don't want people writing their own messages in this channel and cluttering it up. So scroll down a bit until you see Send Messages. Click the red X to disable it. That's it. Now only you, your moderators, or anyone with special permissions can post in here. Everyone else can only read. Once you've got those settings right, make sure to click the Save Changes button at the bottom. Don't skip that step, or all your hard work will be lost. And that's really all there is to it. In just a couple of minutes, you've gone from a server where new members feel invisible to one that has a clear, welcoming front door. It's a small change, but I've seen it make a huge difference in how communities feel. People are more likely to say hello, introduce themselves, and stick around when they see that you've put thought into their experience. Go ahead and drop your first welcome message in there, maybe pin it, and watch your server start to feel like a real home.